Hey guys, today we're inside my room. So we're gonna play. Me and my friend Dougie. So he's gonna be in the video. He's gonna be in videos, in some videos. So yeah, alright guys. So he just said hi. I don't know what we can play today. What do you want to play? Let's see. I'm gonna think. Okay. How about we play Bristol Builders? Bristol Builders. Okay. Yeah, I'll get it. I'll get it, doggy. Okay. Let's play. Okay, let me open it. Come here. Okay, got it open. Puppy. Really? Oh, sorry. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Yeah, puppy. I don't know what to build, actually. If I could build a helicopter, I would, but I can't. Okay, let's see. How do we build a helicopter? Let's see. It's gonna be. Okay, I got it. Okay, so I need 2 long pieces. Okay, got 2 long pieces, good. And I need this little piece right here. And I'm gonna need to attach these wheels. Okay, puppy. Okay. Good job attaching. Ah! Doggy. I'll attach them this way. Come on. So, guys, let's get this ready. This one on. Okay. You got one part on. Okay. Got one part on, doggy. Okay. Now I need one more wheel. Ooh. Okay, wheel. Actually, when you blow bubbles, I like to eat them. Ew, why do you like to eat bubbles, dog? Doggy? Oh, I don't know. I just love to eat bubbles. I just really love to eat bubbles. So here we go. Hey, I can write it. Hi, Doggy, you farted on it. Ew, stinks. Sorry. Fine. Hey, need this piece. Need this piece. Okay, Wrong way. Okay, there we go. Get it, doggy. Okay. So what's next? Oh, this looks like a fan, right? Yeah, it does. Wait, we need this. So here we go. Can't do it. Ooh. One part is broken. Now how about I just put it on puppy? Okay. So hold on, guys. I can't put it on. Damn it, keeps spooling out. Okay. That's fixed. Okay. It smells awesome. Ooh, that's awesome. like it's been fast. Watch this. Ooh, that's so cool, dude. That's so cool. That's so cool. It's getting so fast. That's so cool. It also has wheels, so it can move. Is that cool? Oh, I forgot one more part. This is to make it go fast. Hey guys. Hey guys. This is to make it go fast. Okay, puppy, whatever. Okay, hold on here. Ay, ay, ay. So hold on, guys. Okay. Puppy, what? Whoa, is that a green thing? Yeah, it makes it go fast. Wow, that's so cool. Okay, let's see. We need one more part. This part. Hold on, guys. Need two of those orange things. That looks so sexy. Just kidding. Okay, I need one more piece. There it is. Need one more. Hey. Stupid thing. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we got it on. Now, this is what it's supposed to look like, right? Right, puppy? Yes, it's supposed to look like it. Okay. Ooh. You want to put the flags? I could if I wanted. I'll try. Okay. There we go. Oh, this is so awesome. Look at guys. Oh, I fell out. Darn it. Nee, that doesn't fit. Wait a minute. So hold on. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's see. Put that right here. Okay, and then one more flag. Where's the flag? Oh, there it is. Okay, puppy. Whatever. Whatever, pup. Okay, which way? Do we put it this way or that way? I think we should do it this way. Okay, that's the right way, I think. Yeah, I think that's the right way. Oh! That almost broke. Okay, that looks awesome. But we're not gonna fly it. Wait. I do. I want to fly it. Okay. Let it crash, sugar break. Yeah, this doesn't look that good. It's okay. Wait, it looks good, but it's okay if it crashes. Awesome! Awesome! It crashed. Too bad, too sad. Oh, that's so sad. Yeah, we should put the Bristol boulders away. Okay, sorry about that, guys. That was weird. Sorry about that. I don't know why my camera did that, but I'm gonna just put this away. It's gonna take ages to put this away. What does that mean, Preston? I don't know. It just takes a long time to put this away unless you do it fast. It takes like 2 minutes to do this. Well, this is it for the video. Leave a comment, subscribe if you like it. So yeah, this is gonna take forever. So put this away. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more me and puppy videos. Bye.